Today from the office of the mob, Justice Football. Here are the champions of the CAF Confederation Cup. But that's not what I'm here for today. I just wanted to tell you that when Kaizer Chiefs sneezes, the whole Africa catches the cold. Here is RC Berkane from Morocco in Botola that finishes position number 1, and they are currently champions of the CAF Champions Confederation Cups. They have two options, either CAF Champions League, either CAF Confederation. After a carefully consideration and evaluation and lot of administration from RC Berkane, they saw that the mighty courses are there in CAF Confederation. And they say, we are going for CAF Champions League because the giant is here, the giant of Africa. So undermine Kaizer Chiefs at your own risk. Here are the champions of Morocco. They have chosen not to go and participate into the Confederation and opted for Champions League. Ah la la. The arrival of Amakosi is being felt in Africa. It has already been felt in Morocco. I am told by the close source that soon other teams are going to withdraw from the Confederation. Luckily, we as the mighty Buccaneers, we are in CAF Champions League. We are safe from there.